Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can make our cursor black while using Google Docs. So I will show you the steps so you can follow it. So let's start the video. Okay, so come on your window and here in search bar search for mouse settings. Here come to the mouse setting, here just click on it, and here just scroll down and we need to go in this additional mouse setting option. Just click on it. Okay, here we have this pop-up window and we have these options. So come to the pointer here and go to the pointer options and make sure it is unchecked. Okay, it is hide pointer while you typing. If you don't want to hide while you typing in Google Docs, then you can make it untick it and just apply it. Okay, after apply, just come to the pointer and here we have some the cursor type and cursor style for every task. Okay, so here for normal selection, which is we 190% we use this one. Okay, and the selection, we need to go in selection. Let me go here into text selections. Here this style also we need to check text selection. So from here, if you want to change the black color to your normal cursor like this, just go to here, go to the browse and just scroll down and select any black cursor and just apply it. If I apply it, my cursor will be black. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can see I have applied. Now you can use it on Google Docs. Okay, so I just make use default. Okay, and you can also go to the select tags which we work use while you working on Google Docs. Let me go here in select text where it is. Okay, text select. Here go to the browse and now you can choose, just come down and you can choose this eye, the beam eye curve. Okay, you can select this. Okay, and just open it and just apply it, so it will be apply. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.